Welcome to Learn, Study and Grow. Subscribe to my channel. Good night everyone. Good night everyone. It is time to go to bed. I am feeling sleepy. I am feeling sleepy. Can I sleep with my stuffed animal? Can I sleep with my stuffed animal? I am scared of the dark. I am scared of the dark. Can I have a bedtime story? Can I have a bedtime story? Can I watch one more show? Can I watch one more show? I need to brush my teeth before bed. I need to brush my teeth before bed. Where is my pillow? Where is my pillow? Can I read a book before bed? Can I read a book before bed? Where is my pajama? Where is my pajama? I need a blanket. I need a blanket. Will you sing me a lullaby? Will you sing me a lullaby? What are we doing tomorrow? What are we doing tomorrow? Can I stay up for a little longer? Can I stay up for a little longer? Can I have a glass of water before bed? Can I have a glass of water before bed? I am cold, can I have another blanket? I am cold, can I have another blanket? I love you, good night. I love you, good night. I want to say good night to everyone. I want to say good night to everyone. Can you tuck me in? Can you tuck me in?